Okay, we're going to choose based on what you need, what your success criteria is going to be. So on your desk, you should have your warm-up on one side, and on the other side, I'd like you to have this paper that we did yesterday, the independent work on double number lines. Now what you're going to do, you have one on one side, one on the other, is as we go through these possible mistakes, I want you to flip, open, and actually look at your work to decide which mistakes you made and what you want to focus on today. Okay, so you have one on one side, one on the other. You're going to be flipping through this to look at what you did. And this is an awesome opportunity for us to look at our work and learn from our mistakes. We're analyzing our own work. So these are possible mistakes that we had in our work as we went along. What we're going to do is look over the possible mistakes, and then you're going to choose. So today I'm going to work on this. You're going to say, by the end of the day, I will be able to break up a number line into equal pieces. Or maybe you'll say, well, I already know how to break it up into equal pieces. Maybe my goal will be to break up a number line so that the number you're looking for is on it. Some of us struggled with that. If that's not your goal, maybe you need to break up both number lines into the same number of pieces. Maybe that's your goal today, to make sure that you can do that. And then I can put 100% at the end of the number line. So some of us struggled with that. There are different mistakes that we made, so we're going to look at the different ones together. So I'm going to give you a couple minutes to look and see if you can find any ideas of things that you're going to work on that is your success criteria for today. So you're going to pick, by the end of, after we review all of this and we go through it and we look at it together, you're going to choose which do you need to work on and be able to do. As we talk about it, what is your mind going to be focusing on? Is it going to be breaking up a number line into equal pieces, breaking up so that the number you're looking for is on it, breaking both number lines up the same, putting those lines up the same, or putting 100% at the end? I'm going to give you about 2 minutes. We can take a couple more if we need them. But we'll start with 2 minutes, and I can come around and help you if you're having trouble finding your mistakes. But look for mistakes that you made, and then go ahead and write that on your warm-up paper. Write that as your success criteria. You're going to answer these questions to self-assess how you did today, what you learned. The first question is to look at the success criteria that you chose to focus on today. I see some people doing that already. You wrote it down on your warm-up, so that's why I asked you to keep that out. Look at the success criteria that you chose and answer, did you need it, and how do you know? If you didn't, that's okay too. Just write, no, I don't feel like I grasped that. I tried, but I need to be practicing it. If you did, you can say, yes, I feel like I'm now more able to do blank. I chose to focus on blank, and I feel like I met the success criteria because now I can do blank. So I'd like you to answer that to tell me what you chose to focus on. Were you successful in that? Did you meet your goal for yourself?